My name is Doug Sheppard. I'm the Managing Director of Max Electric Motors, part of the Max family. Probably had two mentors who made the biggest impact on me from that perspective. One was an old purchasing manager, which is where I started some of my career, a guy called Steve Pollard. And he instilled a lot of the behaviours that I try to exhibit today. He wasn't a typical boss. He was really keen to allow me to breathe from a young age. He really supported me, mentored me and coached me. And in doing so, instilled a lot of values into me that I've carried forward for my career since. And the other is a guy called Richard Betts, actually, who was our operations director at the time. And he balanced Steve quite well in that he was a very exacting person with very high standards. I think he challenged me to become a greater individual in all aspects. I think the biggest challenges that I've seen over the last few years have certainly related to COVID and the need for people to be able to work remotely. And in the manufacturing business, that's quite challenging because quite a lot of the workforce can, the R&D centre, sales team, centre, finance, quality, etc., etc. But you also have a core element of the industry that you can't allow to work remotely, certainly not easily either. So I think that the biggest learning curve recently has been trying to maintain that need for remote working whilst being inclusive, but also making sure you keep that local team happy as well. So we're really fortunate. We've just had our second record year, back-to-back record year, and we're coming up with the third year at the moment. And during those years, we've grown approximately 25%. So it's an estimate. But it's been really quite challenging, and during that period of growth, we've done that by mostly growing our export markets. Our domestic market has increased as well, but our export markets have increased slightly quicker. So for us, it's been a really interesting time in trying to get those export procedures in place and up to a robust standard, whilst also growing the rest of the business. And again, doing that in the COVID period with global supply chain issues, resource issues is incredibly challenging. But clearly, the last 2 years have been very successful for us, and that's set to continue, which is great. First thing I'd say is embrace it. Manufacturing is an incredible industry that has touch points across all industries and all kind of job roles. So whether that's someone who wants to come in and be hands-on and build product, or whether they've got a curious mind and they're very analytical and can take on a quality role where you're making sure that parts are built to very specific tolerances. Whether you want to be in sales or finance or marketing, there is a role for every type of individual within manufacturing, and you can supply into a whole range of different industries. So we're really proud to be able to supply our products to medical industries, and our parent company supplies into aerospace, defence and space, and whatever that application, whether you're obsessed with watches or you're obsessed with sports, something is manufactured to go into that industry, and therefore it's really accessible to everyone. So I would encourage people to give it a try and look at the prospects that are available to everyone.